Welcome back to RVC Talk. So, some of you who are using MWD Magic Levels already would like to understand what this momentum indicator is all about and how do I use it together along with MWD levels. The same way, some of you are already have taken in a momentum indicator would be interested in MWD Magic Levels and how do we combine both of these and how can we use it effectively, right? So many of you are asking these questions, and I would like to address those in this video, and also for a new people, how these two indicators will help you to get the right rates, and we can make something out of this. Okay, that's the intention of this video. So let's get started on this one. Okay, so if we go back and see, this is a plain simple chart. Maybe, I'll start with an FLE, for example. So FLE seems to be kind of like, on a slight upside in the last 1 week, starting from 5th, not complete week, 5th, 6th, 7th, right? The 3 days, there seems to be some good upside. Okay, I'll take this as an example. Okay, so what you are looking on this chart right now is MWD magic levels are enabled on this. Okay, so as you all know, this is a monthly levels, this yellow color, and the green are weekly colors. Okay, so if you look at this is starting of the week is here last week, and then this seems to be kind of like oscillating between the monthly high and monthly low levels, which are calculated based on our indicator. And as we always suggest, don't take any trade when the price is actually oscillating between these levels. Okay, so only once the price actually crossed this level on a fifth Wednesday, it's a good opportunity for you to take either, if it is an FNO stock, then you can take an option, or you can buy the future, or you can buy the stock. It depends on your capital and your plan of trading. Okay, so if you see this one, which is actually crossed at 1547 level, once the price sustained above this, and you see there's a good upside close to around like 1680 level, 150 rupees up within the 3 days. Okay, so this is a simple usage in terms of MWD magic levels, which helps you to identify this kind of potential breakouts. And once all this monthly high, weekly high is taken out, then there is 99% of the possibility to go give a good return. Okay, let me show you one or two more examples quickly, like Shriram Finance, for example. Okay, so you look at this breakout here, it has given a good upside momentum, and then there seems to be a return, but this level seems to be acting as a support. Okay, and there's another one, BSE. Okay, so if you look at the BSE is actually crossed somewhere here, which is on 4th February, and from here we had seen, which is 5,460, we had seen like 5,860, 400 rupees up. Okay, so some of you can question why there seems to be kind of a reversal on this. Okay, so that is nothing to do with an indicator. These levels, in terms of what level up to it will reach, is something our MWD level indicator. If you enable the daily levels, you will be able to see this. Okay, maybe in a Glenmark, if you look at Glenmark also has given a once there is a crossover here sustained above this, there seems to be good upside. Okay, so there are hundreds of examples which I can talk about using an MWD magic level indicator, that what level it should break out and sustains, and then what kind of good upside momentum we can see. Okay, this is the first part. Okay, we use this indicator to see a breakouts of stocks which are our favorites. Okay, it may be FNO or if it may be non-FNO. Now, coming to our momentum indicator, right? Momentum indicator, as the name itself is suggest, we call it actually kinetic momentum, right? Kinetic. This momentum actually tells you when this stock is actually is this like an uptrend, how the momentum is going to help you. Okay, you look at this. Okay, maybe instead of me explaining what momentum is all about, the stock seems to be kind of like 20-30 minutes it's here, but you see the momentum from here to here, it the the momentum indicator will tell you, buddy, so here this is picking up the momentum and it takes off. Okay, this is a one part of the indicator. Now there is a second part of the indicator which I will enable and show you. Okay, second part of the indicator which tells you the power bars. Okay, so both together we call it the momentum indicator. Let me enable the indicator and show you exactly at this location I'm talking. Okay, I'm in a 5 minutes chart. Now this is a momentum indicator. Okay, and there are power bars I am talking. Let me enable that. Okay, so this is the power bars. Okay, now look at this bottom part. This is the power bars I am talking. Okay, so let me go back and put. Okay, so you look at this time, for example, which is like 10:40 on a Friday. I will enable. I'll go to the lower time frame. You see this time, 10:39, 10:40. Okay, so we will talk about this as an example, and then we take any random example. Maybe we go to the Nifty, we go to the whatever stocks we had seen before. So, and also CE side and PE side, both the sides we'll quickly talk about this. So you will have a first-hand information in terms of what this indicator is all about, and then once you join our group, and then you can, if you had any questions, definitely we are ready to help you to kind of like understand the indicator, handhold you to get like better idea on this, which helps you to make independently you can take right trades. Okay, now look at this indicator here. Okay, see, there are multiple things you are seeing on the screen. One is this dotted line here, right? One, there are colors here. Okay, there are two things here. I'm not talking about MWD because we already covered these lines. Now, on the bottom part, there are different colors here, and there is one more line here. Okay, these we are calling power bars. This we are calling in a momentum part. Okay, now when there is a good momentum picking up, right, the color will change to yellow color. Okay, momentum picking up towards upper side. When the momentum picking towards on the downside, the bars will be labeled as blue color. Okay, you guys can change it, but this is what we are following up as of now. Okay, the colors will be changed to blue color. Now this is an indication. Yes, here there is a change, and this is the line. As long as the price seems to be keep going up. This is on a CE side. This will be above the level. Once it reaches this, if it breaks, then anyway it's a clear exit opportunity. But this line also will act as a strong support. Okay, I'm not able to show it here, but I'll show you. Definitely, I'm going to show more examples. Okay, so you just focus on this kind of momentum here. This is the first part, and see the background. This is a light green color here, and the yellow color bars, which within, and you see the distance between the this line and the indicate the bars, right? This is increasing here, right? This is very close here, and this seems to be kind of like more here. That means with the high momentum, the price seems to be going up here. Now, in the same instance, you look at downside. Downside, the background is in a green color. The black dot indicates the momentum, the power seems to be increasing. Now black seems to be increasing. Now don't look at on the top, you look at this, there are three reds here. Okay, now three reds means the seems to be kind of a power seems to be slowing down. Okay, here exactly the same thing you can see on the bars here, but you see again it's picking up, and this seems to be kind of a quick upside move here. So relate this and relate this, and it gives you a good opportunity for you to capture the trade. Okay, first thing is the price should be above our MWD levels anyway, but from the momentum perspective, the bottom power bars power should be rising, right? That helps you to identify the momentum is rising. The price should be above this if you are considering anything and towards and along the CE we call. This should be rising. Okay, very simple funda, right? You look at 4 points. One, the price should be above this line, and it should be in the black color. Second thing, the bar should be in yellow color. Two conditions. Here, the background should be green color. The bar should be black, which is rising. Right? So it's a very simple thing. Exactly same thing. You just apply it on the PE side. Okay. Let me see if I can actually get something on the PE side. Okay. So maybe I'll go to Bharti Airtel. Okay. So these stocks are not pre-selected. Okay. See, for this video, I'm just randomly taking it right because every stock will go up and comes down. Right. So here, if you look at, so exactly this is an example. I can take it as a CE side to explain. Right. There is an indication, there is a price crossed monthly high, weekly high. The price is above the line, and yellow color. You see it keep going up to here, right? Now you see background is green color. The bars are within a good increasing power here. Here, by the time it reaches, you see it's actually flat kind of a thing here. This shows that the momentum is actually kind of a dying down, and then power is reducing here, and then you see it's coming down here, right? So clear an exit for you when you see continuous keep back to back red dots here. Okay, this is on a CE side. Now I will show you the same stock on the PE side. This seems to be, there is one interesting point I'm going to again repeat, but here you see the price seems to be very close to this line. That means the flat market. You remember this point. We will come back and talk about this. Now you see this is going down here. Okay, see if I increase it, you will have a better idea. You see here red dot, which is like in a sell side. Here we don't take an entry because the power is actually coming down. Here you see the power is increasing. The black dots, the power on the PE side is increasing is what actually it indicates. Look at the distance is increasing here. Look at this is increasing. Background is a red. Red or green, it doesn't matter. The power increasing is what it displays. And when the background is red, that means PE side power is increasing. When the background is green, CE side power is increasing. But the increasing is what it should display here. Okay. So that's as an indication. Okay. So you it's like using this power bars, using this momentum definitely gives right strong very good opportunities, and that is what actually the every one of our team members are actually experiencing it. Okay, so go back and see something on a BSc what we had seen a few minutes back. Okay, so you see here exactly, so see the rise here. See the rise here. Okay, the price is somewhere 5,600. Quickly it went to 5,679, right? And seems to be kind of in a flat here. But again, the picking up momentum, it took all the way to 5,700 plus. Okay, you look at this kind of this momentum on Friday, it's 230. From here to here, look at the distance rising. The background is in a green, and the black dots is where actually we had seen some good upside momentum, right? So this is what about on a CE side. Now we are talking about sideways market. How do we identify sideways market looking at this stock? Okay, so again I will go back to Bharti Airtel for example, which we are discussing about. Bharti Airtel, okay, let me put it in 1 minute for ease of for intraday when we are actually trading. So this is what actually we are talking. When the price is very close to the, let me actually zoom in so that the price keep oscillating between about this level, right? And we indicate the background also in the white, and you see the distance is not rising, right? So that is where we try to avoid the trades. It's a kind of a sideways market. I think we all understand when we look at the Nifty part, right? So Nifty, you look at this straight, very easy. Okay, anyone can actually identify the yellow background, and this is on a CE side, and this is on a PE side. Now, where is our flat market, right? You look at this on a Thursday. The price is very close to this level, and more importantly, the price is below the monthly high level. You see this one here, the line here, monthly level, and which is just oscillating around weekly level. Okay, it doesn't matter weekly high or a weekly low or a monthly high or a monthly low. When the price is oscillating around that level, avoid the trade. That is what we always talk repetitive. We keep telling in the group also. And and from a morning, you can look at from here. Somewhere we started the trade that somewhere around it actually reached this level around like 11 o'clock, and you see continuously the price is oscillating here till next day, right? So there is no trading opportunity. This is in a flat market. You keep going up, keep coming down, keep going up, keep coming down. Okay, so all you need to see is a price some is oscillating around the level, around these high and low levels, which helps you to understand. Don't take trades just like this. Even when the market opened here and when we actually come down on this day, looking at this level, we clearly suggested to people, hey, avoid any PE unless there is a clear breakout, because this level is going to act as. Imagine you had taken a PE and then you again it hit the stop loss. Again, you thinking that it goes on a CE side, you take the trade and it hits that stop loss. And your mood for the entire day taking it trades is gone, right? Patience is key here, and need to wait for the price to move away from the line and then take a right trade. Okay, and just look at this, and hopefully you will be able to understand it very easy, self-explanatory, and This indicator also helps you to get an idea in terms of an early indications. Okay, so we'll talk about this in detail once you actually start interacting with them. Let's not worry about all these indications on the indicator, but if you look at an example, again, price is below this line, month, weekly level, price actually break down this level, there is an indication and the distance is increasing, a good PE opportunity, bottom red side is there, the power is increasing, a good possible PE option. Coming back here, price is on a CE side, the cross this level and yellow bars. You see this one, momentum is increasing. From here, which is like 23,465, quickly it went to 23,560, 580 levels, right? 120 points just a few minutes. And this indicator will help you to capture this kind of trades without any difficulty. Okay, guys, yeah, hope this gives some idea about what this line is all about. This actually acts as a resistance or a support. Okay, and these indicators on a CE side and a PE side, the yellow color is an upside momentum, blue is an a bottom PE side momentum, the bottom power bars should be in a black dots increasing, rising, right? And the red is for the PE, green is for CE, and anything on the white is better watch out and don't jump into the new trade when this in the background is white. It's a tentatively it is in a sideways and the price should be moving away from the this dotted indicator. That will help you to capture the best possible trade. You can actually ask for a trail and then you explore this for a week on any stock or any index and then let us know if there is some deviation from that. Yeah. Thank you very much. Hope this video will help you to understand and kindly subscribe to the channel. Please let us know in case if you need any support. Also get in touch with us on 9494246220 on WhatsApp. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.